Hi everyone, I've got a fantastic opportunity today to show you this lovely 3-bedroom terrace property situated on Alexandra Road in Eccles. Coming through the front of the property, we've got a really nice entrance hallway, which is then bringing us through into our living room. So we've got a through lounge here, fantastic size, lovely spacious lounge here with our bay window just to the front there. This second reception room was used as a dining room. And then coming through into the kitchen, we've got a fantastic size here, lots of cupboard space. Definitely enough space in here if you wanted to have a kitchen diner and then have just one large reception room to the front. Be a lovely family home, and it is coming to the market chain free. Got a beautiful garden here to the rear. Really nice size. Then coming back through the property and up the stairs to the first floor, got 3 generous size bedrooms and a 3-piece family bathroom suite. We've got some storage just through that door there, just under the stairs, and then making it our way up to the first floor. And starting at the front of the property is the main bedroom, very generous sized room. As you can see here, lovely size, plenty of room for lots of storage and belongings, again, as you can see. And then we have 2 further very good sized bedrooms as well. Nice spacious landing. Now this is the second bedroom. You can see you've got a very good sized double here. Property is coming to the market chain free. We are in Eccles. We've got lots of fantastic transport links, just walking distance away. Train stations, tram links, into Media City, Salford Quays, Manchester city centre and surrounding areas. Got fantastic local schools, nurseries, and the Trafford Centre just a stone's throw away as well. And we've got the 3rd bedroom here. You can see there's a bed in there. You've got a good size as well, with further storage there with the drawers and wardrobes. And then we've got this very good sized family bathroom. If you would like to arrange a viewing, please give the office a call on 061 707 4900.